Forge Toys here, y'all. It's another Pokemon opening. They're gonna be opening up Scarlet and Violet, Sarging Sparks. Let's see if we can get that Pikachu. That'd be nice. Yes, it would. Alright, here goes the QR code. One to the back. Fire. Lightning. Alright, let's see what we get. Yeah, let's see what we get. Any hit be alright with me. Tell me in the comments what hits y'all getting out of these new ones right here. Reverse Mantine. Reverse, I don't know. And did we get anything? No, we didn't. We got an Iron Crown. Well, y'all, we didn't get nothing in these right here, but it's always next time. If you like what you see, subscribe to my channel, please, for more openings. Forge Toys out of here.